Okay, so for this rainy project, I have a shirt that I bought at a secondhand store. I have fabric markers and a cardboard, and then I got this at the dollar spot at Target. So one of the cool activities that the girls can do on a rainy day is I already bought this shirt, and I came with all these nice designs, but it almost looks like a coloring page. So what she's gonna do is we went to Target to buy these fabric markers, and I believe this one was only like $4. And so now she gets to color and make her own shirt. So I'm going to use this cardboard to just slide it inside so the marker doesn't go to the other side, and she has somewhere hard to color on, and she can have her own handmade shirt. And another one is for these little boxes. I got two, or these little baskets. I got two of these, and the girls can paint them and design them with markers or paint.
Hi, my name is Emily, and I got like this cool shirt that you saw on the video. I got this cool shirt, and then you can color on it, and I used these things to color on it. But it's not really markers. It's like fabric markers. So I'm going to show you how I color. Hi, my name is Isabel, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing.
What are you painting?
A block. See? I'm painting it.
An alternative can be if you don't have a t-shirt that already has a design, you can just get a plain white shirt. This one Isabella had from last year. The church that we went to, they did like a little Easter activity, and they made these shirts, and I just went over it with a Sharpie because the Happy Easter was getting faded a little bit. And so what we're going to do is we're going to use these stencils. I'm going to make different shapes, different little designs that she can color. And so all I need is a Sharpie. These little any kind of designs would be, even freehand would work as well. And just a plain shirt. I didn't have a plain shirt, so I'm going to use this one from last year, and then we're just going to design it, and she can have her own shirt that she can color. Okay, so this is the design that she picked. They're very easy, simple stars. Here's a little basket. She wanted cookies instead of eggs, so we made chocolate chip cookies. And then on the back, she wanted some flowers like her sister. And again, something very simple, something my 3-year-old can easily color and not get frustrated over so many little designs. So this is our little rainy day activity.